Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Lovely Monet, and I'm back here with a cooking video. What else? So we're making smothered chicken today. I have my peppers, my onions, my chicken breast back there. I have my seasonings mix. I have some oil. I have some flour, some minced garlic. And these are all the seasonings I use. Black pepper, some Morton seasoned salt, garlic powder, lemon pepper, Cajun, onion powder, Weber's kicking chicken, and of course some salt. And I also got some lemon marinade I'm gonna add on there, even though I put some marinade the night before, but I'll just use my marinade while I'm cooking it. My chicken had already been washed clean. Put them on some napkins to dry them out, and then I'm gonna put them in this silver bowl and add all the seasonings and spices, and then transfer them over to a pan.
Let your edge out. To some iceberg, you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? I need rest now. Got me bummed out. You, baby. I've been on my empty mind, shit. I should've came from losing the best of me. I worry that I wasted the best of me. Oh, you, baby, you don't care. This is urgent. Trying to make some simple change. Let me a war in my mind. Gotta let go of a wink if he was holding me. Choose the right, but it will break up in front of me. On the wall, I leave my feelings. Still wanna try, still believe it. Good days, always always inside. Good.
They just wanna fuck with you. Just they know I fuck with you. If I put my trust in you, what will you do? Will you just step out? Will you duck it out? Will you be here to the end? I just wanna know if you my friend. I just wanna know if you pretending. I know I've been away. I'm just trying to get my mind straight.
Don't let it go, let it go. Don't let it slip away. Oh, no. first touch, get left in the dust. No room to judge. Talking is a slow child. Lips first touch, get left in the dust. No room to judge. So tonight you should go and take a chance with her. She could be everything you wanted, boy. Don't let
Whoa, whoa, yeah. Sometimes we laugh, sometimes we cry, but I guess you know now, baby. I took a half and she took the whole thing. Slow down, baby. We took a trip, now we on your block, and it's like a ghost town.